it's Explained Simply here, and today I'm going to go over why Google Adsense earnings showing 0 and the solution for this. I'm not monetized, so I'll be using my son's YouTube account, King Jimmy, as an example. So here I am looking at my son's account in the YouTube Studio app, and as you can see, it shows the analytics for the last 28 days and the estimated revenue. But what I'm really interested in seeing is the actual revenue that he's made for the last month. But for that, I cannot see it in the YouTube Studio app. I need to go to the website. So let me show you that next. Once you're in your web browsers, type in www.google.com/AdSense/enter. And that will take you to your AdSense account. Now in my son's Google AdSense account, and it doesn't show the estimated value from the YouTube Studio app. Instead, it shows estimated earnings of 0. So how do I see the actual earnings? Let me show you that next. Now go to the left-hand corner and bring down the menu and click Reports. Now you need to filter by a specific date period, and for my example, I am going to apply the month of June. And after that, you need to choose something to filter it by. So I'm going to bring down the filter menu and choose products. And here you need to check YouTube host and apply. If you do that, then you will see your total earnings. And that's exactly what you want to see. And that is the solution. Hope this helps. Wishing you a daisy day. Like and subscribe for more Explained Simply videos.